Ever wondered which Linux distribution is poised to take over the world by 2025? It's a question many tech enthusiasts and industry professionals are asking. While some might consider Linux a niche operating system, the reality is far more compelling. Ubuntu, with its user-friendly interface and robust features, is not just a contender, it confidently leads the pack, shaping the digital landscape for countless users across the globe. From bustling tech hubs to individual developers, Ubuntu's influence is undeniable, and its impact continues to grow. Over the course of the next 2 minutes, prepare to dive deep into the world of Linux distributions. I'll unveil compelling real-world usage statistics providing a clear picture of Ubuntu's dominance. More importantly, I'll break down the key factors that contribute to its enduring popularity, explaining precisely why Ubuntu remains the global favorite among developers, system administrators, and everyday users alike. Get ready to explore the reasons behind Ubuntu's success and its continued reign as a top choice in the Linux ecosystem. With dozens of Linux options like Debian, Fedora, Mint, and Arch, picking the right distro can be confusing. That's why today, using verified 2025 data, I'll show you which Linux distro is most used globally. Let's delve into the fascinating world of Linux distributions and their market share as of 2025. The numbers tell a compelling story of user preference and adoption. Ubuntu, with its distinctive orange hue in our animated pie chart, clearly dominates the landscape. It commands a significant 33.9% of the market share. This isn't just a number, it represents millions of users worldwide who have chosen Ubuntu as their operating system of choice. The Ubuntu logo, proudly displayed, symbolizes a commitment to open-source principles and a user-friendly experience. This makes it the most widely used distro globally, a testament to its versatility and community support. Its popularity stems from its ease of use, extensive software availability, and strong community support. Now let's take a look at the other key players in the Linux distribution arena. As our horizontal bar chart illustrates, the competition is fierce, but Ubuntu maintains a comfortable lead. Behind Ubuntu, Debian, the rock-solid distribution known for its stability and vast package repository, holds roughly 16% of the market. CentOS, a distribution favored in enterprise environments for its long-term support and reliability, maintains about 9.3%. These figures highlight the diverse needs and preferences within the Linux community. While Fedora, known for its cutting-edge technology and focus on innovation, and other distributions trail behind, they each cater to specific niches and user groups, contributing to the rich tapestry of the Linux ecosystem. Each distribution offers a unique blend of features, philosophies, and target audiences. The beauty of Linux lies in its diversity, with each distribution carving out its own niche. Debian remains popular for its unwavering stability, making it a favorite for servers and critical infrastructure. CentOS continues to be the go-to choice for enterprise use, providing a reliable and predictable platform for businesses. Linux Mint, with its user-friendly interface and familiar desktop environment, wins over Windows migrants seeking a smoother transition to the Linux world. Fedora, on the other hand, appeals to developers and tech enthusiasts who crave the latest software and technologies. The text overlays on our grid of logos highlight these key strengths, showcasing the unique value proposition of each distribution. Ultimately, the choice of a Linux distribution depends on individual needs and preferences, with each option offering a compelling set of features and benefits. Why is Ubuntu on top? It offers long-term support with 5-year stability, robust community support, and seamless cloud integration. It's ideal for beginners, developers, and enterprises alike, the default choice for web hosting and developer pipelines. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration into the Linux landscape of 2025, it's time to recap the key takeaways. Ubuntu has not only maintained its position, but has solidified its lead as the most popular Linux distribution. Its user-friendly interface, extensive software support, and strong community contribute to its widespread adoption. When we compare it to other prominent distributions like Debian, known for its stability, CentOS, favored in enterprise environments, Mint, celebrated for its ease of use, and Fedora, which is at the forefront of innovation, Ubuntu consistently outperforms them in terms of overall market share and user base. This dominance reflects Ubuntu's adaptability and its ability to cater to a wide range of users, from beginners to seasoned developers. Now I'm curious to hear from you, the Linux community. Are you a dedicated Ubuntu enthusiast, or does your allegiance lie with another distribution? Perhaps you're a fan of the flexibility of Arch, the stability of Debian, or the cutting-edge features of Fedora. Whatever your preference, I want to know why. Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite aspects of your chosen distro in the comments section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest Linux news, reviews, tutorials, and deep dives. We've got plenty more Linux content coming your way, so join the community and let's explore the world of open source together.